Hello everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are taking this software called Camo Studio 2.1.11, and we're making a virtual business card with our face in it, you know. So sometimes you're on Zoom, sometimes you're in some type of conference call, anything that uses your webcam, and you don't just want to introduce yourself every single time. What you do could be on the right hand side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna design that out, and then I'll show you multiple different ways you can do that as well. Okay, here we go. So right now I got a couple of businesses up here. I have Well and Work Health and Wellness, my super patch. I have my let's zoom that in. Are we zooming in? 100%. There we go. So right here I have, oops, let's get back on that. I have my, oh, you can make it, hang on. So right here I have my this basically, these are the colors I have for Twitch. So I had a different type of, Well and Work is my brand online. I have Well and Work Motivation, Well and Work Health and Wellness, Well and Work TV, Well and Work Online, and they all have different things that they do. So we have Well and Work Health and Wellness right here, and that I kind of focus on health and wellness. Pretty much it. Honeydew Developments over here. Okay, we need to actually move that to the left-hand side. Let's fix that. Okay, you can just take your logo and go like that. See how it works? Boom. Okay, and then you just hit the back button and it saves. Right here though, I want to split this up. I don't want graphics and staffing in the same one. So we're going to hit nope, no. Let's go back. Let's hit duplicate. All right. And then in this one, we're going to do just this. And then this one, we're just going to do just this one. Okay. And hit back. All right. But now there's one thing we wanted to do in here. And as you can see right here, I designed it out like that. That's how I want it. But right before I was able to save it, it conked out. So we want to make sure we're doing that. All right. So first things first, we have to hurry up. For some reason, it has some type of design flaw where if you spend too much time in the editor or you move this right here, this image over too far or something like that, it'll like conk out the whole program. I don't know why it does that, but it does that. So just be cautious to save your work. Like just hit the back button as many times as often as you can. Okay. Because there is no save button. It's just that back button right there. All right. I'm gonna modify it again. I'm gonna make this smaller so that I can see what I am doing. Just going to the other side. All right. Bring it down to the bottom. Delete this. Do some new text. Right here, I need this bullet point to be in there. But before I do, I think it's the bullet point that was getting it. There's a bullet point in here. So instead of putting the bullet point, I'm just gonna write things in here and see if that works. Because it was conking out a lot. Printing. You can't hit the enter button. So that's one thing. Graphics. Websites. Okay. And then we're just going to leave that there. Excuse me. Right click and hit. You know what? I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go here and hit another text box. I'm gonna type in press releases. Business plans. And business credit. Move all this. See how it goes like that. Okay. And you can hit the up and down, left, right buttons to tap it into where you want it to be. All right, what else we got? Over 20 years experience. That's a me. I'm gonna put that bold. I'm gonna make it just a little smaller because I want it to fit. That's fine. Okay. Check that over a couple. There we go. And then what else? Where they need to send their graphics to. I'm trying to give them everything they need, and they don't have to say anything to me. All right. But what's this? And what is that? Oh, it's all here. This one's like 40 or something like that. Okay. Oh, we want to make this bold. Decrease that a little bit. And our Calendly, where they can do press releases. PR. I'll go to Calendly.com. And capitalize these parts in here just so that you know. Take off the com. And drag this out. About there. You want to set your text box to the space you're going to use, then fill it up. Because the other way around is just gonna mess it up. That on bold. See how it went? Now you can't see it. The anchors on the right hand side disappear, so you got these ones on the left. Make things bigger. That's just how it is, people. Tap it over. And we're done. Okay. Oh, wait. I did have one other thing. What did I want? I wanted to... What did I want to do? Oh, I want to put the phone number. 0. I don't like how it came out with the hyphen being so small. We can see it being so low. Excuse me. So we're gonna change that. I'm gonna change where the hyphen is. So let's just put a dot there. And now 367 5786. I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna make it bold. I want to make it black. Here we are. Make it smaller. Put that space. The back button so it saves. Okay. Now it's looking pretty darn tootin'. Okay? So that's what we want. Let's get out of here. All these extra screens, I don't know if you really want them. You can't delete them for some reason. Ugh, I don't want to duplicate that. It's just, you know, certain ones in here you can't do anything with, so you just create new ones. Alright? And you can pair your device in here, your Bluetooth device, to your phone. So if I wanted my phone to be on it, I just go to I go to my phone, turn on Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth, turn on Wi-Fi, and then pair that device. And then you take your phone's camera and just scan that, and open up the phone's camera and scan it. And once you scan it, what it'll do is, well, actually, after you not open up your phone's camera, you have to open up Camo. Excuse me, open up Camo on your phone. Got a compatibility version in there. So you have to find Camo on iOS or Android. I have it here. See? And then you hit this little button up top. Hit this little button up top. It has a Wi-Fi symbol and a plus sign. Connect Camo Studio. Pair a device. Use the same Wi-Fi network and have your Bluetooth on. Okay, and it's gonna pop in. Oh, like this. A lot more detail. Your phone's camera is gonna be a lot better than your regular camera. Okay. Obviously, I'm in the morning here. But yeah, so you're a lot better than your regular camera. A lot more detail. This is 12 megapixels. You can use your back camera just like that, or you can use your front camera just like that. Okay, and they have different resolutions you can put it in. I like that. I like keeping it the top one, the back here. FHD, I forgot that one. That's really, you know, really fine. HD, I don't know what the F stands for. But yeah. Alright guys, this is ending our video, and we have exactly what we wanted. Let me take it out of here and put it on general webcam. And that's how we get it done. So then I'm ready to go into, you know, Zoom. Take care.